Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Leia Panotes, 31 years old, married. My husband's name is Bobby Panotes, 32 years old, and we have one son. I am a Catholic. I live in Aguinaldo, Cordon, Isabela. I am a college graduate. I took up 2 years course in certificate in computer programming. I work as a domestic helper in the Philippines for 6 years. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 2 children, and 1 baby. My duties are taking care of the children, preparing their foods, washing the clothes, laundry, ironing, feeding the pets, and washing the car. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities as your helper. I will also follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and good day.